Ever worried about losing your precious files or wanted to access them from anywhere? This tutorial is your key to unlocking Google Drive's powerful sensing capabilities, ensuring your data is always safe and accessible. First things first, head over to the Google Drive website and look for the download option to get the Google Drive for Desktop application. This is the magic wand that connects your computer to the cloud. Once downloaded, run the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts, accepting the terms and conditions. The installation is straightforward and usually completes in just a few moments. After installation, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Once signed in, you'll have the crucial choice: which folders on your computer do you want to sync to Google Drive? Click Add Folder and select the directories containing your important documents, photos, or projects. You'll see the main options here: Sync with Google Drive and Mirror Files. Sync with Google Drive treats your Google Drive as a backup. Files added to Google Drive are added to your computer, and vice versa. Mirror Files ensures that your selected computer folders are an exact copy in Google Drive, saving you local storage space if you choose to remove them from your computer after they've synced. Now, simply select your preferred option for each folder you've chosen. The application will then start syncing your files. You'll see a progress indicator showing you which files are uploading and how much is left. And just like that, your local data is now backed up to Google Drive. You can access, edit, and share these files from your computer, your phone, any tablet, or even through a web browser from anywhere in the world. This ensures your data is safe, accessible, and ready for seamless collaboration, preventing any accidental data loss.